Thank you. Good morning, everyone. First, I would like to thank the organizing committee to have selected our posters and to give me the opportunity to present our work today. So the study was conducted into the framework of an annual project that's called Transcriptovac. And so the consortium gathers several European partners, and the study that I'm going to present to you was conducted between French institutions, INRA and CES, and Coda-Sarva in Belgium. So in the context of development of safe, reliable, and effective vaccines against FMDV, the strategy we propose is based on the use of animal adenoviruses that express P1, so P1 processed in VP0, VP3, VP1 by the protease 3C. Such vaccines has already been developed by other groups. There are human adenoviruses-based vector, and they gave promising results. Here, what we propose is to use canine adenovirus that is, according to us, fully suitable for mass vaccination. So we established a recombinant canine adenovirus expressing P1 and 3C, so the CAVE P1 3C. We check the proper expression and processing into capsid protein using monoclonal antibodies that were kindly given by Dr. Emiliana Brocchi, and then we assessed the potential of vaccination on guinea pigs in prime boost vaccination trials, followed by a challenge. So in these vaccination trials, we had 4 groups of 4 guinea pigs. Guinea pigs vaccinated with CAVE P1-3C in green, those vaccinated with inactivated FMDV in blue, those vaccinated with a canine adenovirus control, and those that were not vaccinated in pink. So the protection of CAVE P1-3C was assessed according to immunological, clinical, and viremic parameters. And what we observed is that guinea pigs vaccinated with CAVE P1-3C as guinea pigs vaccinated with inactivated FMDV produced specific antibodies against FMDV, did not show any clinical symptoms after the challenge, and did not harbor any viral RNA into the serum sample and in organs. So what I would say to conclude is that canine adenoviruses-based vector can express immunogenic FMDV antigens in rodents, provide protection against FMD in guinea pigs, and that CAVE P1-3C could be a potential marker vaccines against FMDV. So, unfortunately, the poster is not exhibited anymore today, but if you have any question, I would be pleased to discuss with you during the coffee break. Thank you very much for your attention.